Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I am coming to you from Frederick, Maryland. This is like my third attempt at this video, and I have to say that this has to be the worst part of online school is doing these videos. They make me very uncomfortable, definitely out of my comfort zone. So anyway, I work at the Mental Health Association in Frederick County. I do a lot of things. I am a walk-in navigator and a call specialist at the Frederick County Hotline. I am doing my internship as well through the walk-in clinic as a crisis specialist. It's been very interesting to put all these things together. I really do enjoy the work that I do. I've done the call center for about 3 years, and I do enjoy doing crisis work over the phone. So I thought maybe, doing a face-to-face as a crisis specialist would be something that I would also like to do. I feel pretty comfortable when it's a crisis. I know that seems kind of weird, but that's where I feel I get the most calmest and more focused on helping the family in that immediate situation. I want to learn and try to get a better understanding of grief and loss. I know that it doesn't have to be a death in a family or a death of a loved one. It could be a relationship. It could be your childhood, those kind of things. Just to understand the phases of grief and how that can affect our lives. I'm hoping learning that will allow me to better help my clients as they move through their therapeutic goals, and help them have a better understanding of the things that happen in life so that I can help them through any significant grief or loss and trauma. I do definitely want to specifically work with people who have experienced trauma, so I think grief and loss is a good topic to really have a better understanding of. So I look forward to learning a lot, and as you can see, my cat obviously wants to be a part of the picture. There she is. And look forward to working with all of you. You guys have a good night. Bye.